Well, I just wanted to share a bit of a snowy Wisconsin day with you guys today. I'm out at the Conservancy, about a half a block from my house. There's 5-6 miles of ski trail here. See the hill back behind me. We're going to be up there in about 15 minutes. After about a mile and a half, we'll get up to the top, take a look over Nature Conservancy, show you the Pheasant Branch Creek that feeds into the Four Lakes. So it's a great day for skiing in Wisconsin.
Okay, heading up the hill, around to the right. We'll be straight up the hill when we stop, around the backside. Deb and her ecology students have really accelerated the restoration plan of this area. A lot of buckthorn, a lot of weed trees growing around those oaks. This is an oak savanna, and the Friends of Pheasant Branch Conservancy are trying to restore it to its pre-civilized condition, and Deb's students have been instrumental in that effort. Looking straight down below us to the front is Pheasant Branch Creek. Right down at the very bottom of the hill there's a spring that feeds this creek, that feeds the four lakes that make up the Madison area. Down by the spring there's quicksand. This area that we're standing here, Deb's ecology students have paid for with their donations, the observatory deck up on top.
Deb's students have donated probably $13,000 and thousands of hours of their own time to help restore this area. So it's a real tribute to them and a legacy they can bring their kids back to see. We're going to head down the hill now and enjoy a little bit more of the winter weather.
You can hear the geese down in the marsh. Sometimes they just stop there on their way north. Sometimes they'll overwinter. In the early summer, got sandhill cranes that nest there.
So the Canadian geese and I are hoping you've enjoyed this little bit of Wisconsin, and we'll see you next time.